Watch it.
Our next tool that allows you to gain the power to automate is an AI workflow automation platform called N8N. You may have heard of things like Zapier or Make.com even, and these are workflow automation platforms that allow you to use things like ChatGPT within your workflows. It's very handy for being able to plug in AI into any kind of workflow you want to automate. But there's really a new king on the block that's a bit better suited to AI automation, and that's N8N. It has almost all of the features of Make.com or Zapier, but what makes it stand out is the super powerful AI agent builder that it comes with. So you can build your own automations that actually use AI agents inside of them. It's like a double whammy, really. It's unlike AI tools that are run by humans or agents that act like digital workers. AI workflow automations run all on their own, and they're triggered by events or they're set up on schedules with really no human in the loop. Because it's fully automated with no human oversight, it typically works best by stringing together many less complex tasks. So for example, students can set up N8N automation to automatically scan your course emails, extract assignment due dates, and then compile them into a weekly digest that organizes all the upcoming deadlines in one clear view for you. Or if you're on a sales team, you can use N8N to pull sales leads from a form, add them to this team CRM, and then organize it based on the data submitted. It saves you hours of manually copying, letting you focus on just closing deals. And business owners can save hours automating follow-up emails to customers after a purchase, like sending a thank you note or an email sequence prompting for upgrades in order to build loyalty and increase revenues without lifting a finger. With N8N, you can basically take the boring but essential stuff off your plate.